सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Om. We have been seeing Prarambhik Rachananuvada Kaumudi last week or 2 weeks ago. First, we finished 2 abhyasas. First abhyasa we saw Akaranta Pullinga Shabda and Bhu Dhatu Latlakara. Second abhyasa we saw Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda Bhu Dhatu Latlakara, and we saw similar dhatus Pat, Has, Gam, etc. Today third abhyasa begins. Third abhyasa is about Strilinga Shabda, Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, and dhatu will be similar but Uttama Purusha. So we saw Prathama Purusha on the first abhyasa. We saw Rama Shabda and Sahataute as well as Bhu Dhatu. In the second abhyasa we saw Napumsakalinga Shabda and Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. And today we see Strilinga Shabda and Aham Avam Vayam. So as usual we will just see the theory of Abhyasa 3 today, and tomorrow at 5 p.m. again practice. If we go quickly, I think by next week or so we may be able to combine both of these into a 40-minute session, but for today we will just stick to theory. Page number 6.
Akashi, sorry,
Yes.
I have to apologize a little bit.
Yes.
Today is fine. Tomorrow, because of my travel across, etc., I have got an appointment at 11:30.
Okay.
So either the same thing, if we shift it by an hour,
Yes,
it's
yes.
fine. If we carry the class.
Sure, we will discuss after class. We will just check if everybody is
Just
okay.
letting you know.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you. That's it.
No worries. So, page number 6 on the book. So, when we say page number, always it's going to be on the book only, not on the PDF, because everybody here has the book.
Yes.
So, we'll use the book page numbers only. Page number 6 on the book. Okay, today we are going to see Aham, Avam, Vayam. Aham, मैं, I. Avam, हम दोनों, we two. And Vayam, we all, हम सब. So these are all Sarvanama Shabda. Sarvanama Shabda, why? Because if I am a man or a woman, or if I am an animal or a plant or anything, I will say Aham only. Like the bull in Chandogya Upanishad, which came and gave Upadesha, it also said I am, Aham. Any man, woman, everybody says Aham. Aham, Avam, Vayam. And then we see, this is all Ka, Sanya Shabdas. They are given Rama, Balika, Lata, Katha, Krida, Patshala, Vidya. Everything is given in Akaranta, Strilinga Shabda. So you know the meanings of all this is quite simple. Rama, Balika, Lata, Katha, Krida, Patshala, Vidya. I think everybody knows the translations.
Yeah. Lata is what?
Lata is said like a name only in this context we can take.
Okay. Okay.
It has different meanings, of course, in the traditional sense, but for this sake we can just take as a meaning.
Okay.
Beauty, for example, beautiful trees, beautiful creeper vine, that is also called Lata. Just take it as name. These are all the Sanya Shabdas that we see today and tomorrow. Kha was what? A Ka is Sanya Shabda. Kha in this book is
Ka is Kriya.
Dhatu. Kriya.
Dhatu, yeah.
Dhatu. Kriya.
Dhatu.
And before that, Rama Shabda we saw in the first Abhyasa. Anyone remembers? Shashti Vibhakti, Prathama Ekavachana, Rama Shabda?
Shashti Vibhakti, Prathama Vakta,
Ekavachana.
Ramasya.
Ramasya. And correct. So we remember. So Rama Shabda, Pustakam Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Dvivachana.
Dvitiya Vibhakti, Dvivachana, Pustakataha.
No.
No, Pustaka. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, I know. We have to go back to the
Anyone else? Surya Prakash ji.
Pustakam.
Pustakam is Ekavachana. Dvivachana. Pustake. Pustake. Pustakam, pustake, pustakani. So Dvitiya Vibhakti, Dvivachana is pustake. Prathama Vibhakti, Dvivachana is Rama. Pustakam Shabda.
पुस्तकम same only. पुस्तकम पुस्तके पुस्तकानि.
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Pustakaha.
No.
Second and third are the same.
First and second are the same. Pustakam Shabda, Napumsakalinga Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti, all three are the same. Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani. Or Jnanam, Jnane, Jnanani, different Shabdas were given in Napumsakalinga.
Correct.
Difference will be Pushpa Shabda, for example, Pushpa will be Pushpani. Na. This will all be Na, Pushpam will be Pushpani. So that was the difference we saw. This is all in page number. Where is this?
60.
Page number. I'll tell you. Page number 71.
71. Page number 71. Pustakam Shabda comes. Or Griham Shabda comes.
Graham Shabda.
Griham Shabda comes. Griham, Pustakam, etc. So there it is given Griham, Grihe, Grihani, Griham, Grihe, Grihani, like that. Pustakam, Pustake, Pustakani. Okay. So now Abhyasa 3 continuing. So we see Rama, Balika, Lata, Katha, Krida, Pathshala, Vidya. So these will all have a certain rupa. We'll see in 5-10 minutes. Kha, Dhatu, A plus Gam. A plus Gam is Ana, coming. So Gam we saw in Napumsakalinga Shabda, Gachati. Here Agachati, Agam. Drish, Dekhna, to see. Stha, Rukna ya Bhaitna, to stay, to sit, to stay, to be, etc. Pa, Pina, to drink. Gra, Sungna, to smell. Sad, also Bhaitna, to sit. Then they are given Ga. Ga, Kha, small Ka. The Hrasva Ka is for Sanya Shabda. Dirgha Ka is for Dhatu. Ga is for
Avyaya.
Avyaya.
No.
Correct. Avyaya.
Yeah.
Avyaya tha Kriya Visheshan. This is given in page number 2. Avyaya athva Kriya Visheshan Shabda. Here they have given today Itaha. Itaha yahan se, idhar, from here. Tataha wahan se, from there. Yataha jahan se, from wherever. Kutaha kahan se, from where. So this we've been seeing similar shabdas also in earlier abhyasas. Yada came in Ga in abhyasa 2, in abhyasa 1 Yatra came. So here Yataha is coming. Now we'll see Rama Shabda. So page number 60. Where is this?
Page number
67.
67, yeah.
67. So Sundarji Vadatu, Bhavan Vadatu. Rama, Prathama Vibhakti. प्रथमा विभक्ति
रमा रमे रमाः,
हाँ
रमाम रमे रमाः।
हाँ ओके। सूर्य प्रकाश जी तृतीया और चतुर्थी।
रम्या रमाभ्याम रमाभिः,
हाँ चतुर्थी
रमायै रमाभ्याम रमाभ्यः।
करेक्ट, सम्यक। संध्या जी पंचमी षष्ठी।
I'll continue from tomorrow.
ओके हाँ हरि जी पंचमी षष्ठी।
रमायाः रमाभ्यां
हाँ
रमाभ्यः रमायाः रमयोः
हाँ।
रमणां
रमाणां। I will only say Saptami in Sambodhana. Ramayam, Ramayoho, Ramasu. He Rame, He Ramaha. There is a small problem with the PDF. The PDF does not show the Visarga in Shashti and Saptami Dvivachana. So it says Ramayo.
Correct.
It is Ramayoho. Okay.
Ramayoho.
That print has gone bad. It is Ramayoho for both. Shashti and Saptami both are Ramayoho. So Ramayaha, Ramayoho, Ramanam, Ramayam, Ramayoho, Ramasu. Shashti, Saptami. So this
The book is correct, Akashji? The
book is correct. Yes, ji. Book is correct.
Fine.
So we will have to remember this. So tomorrow before our session, good idea to just see this again. And here what they have given is in the second page, back to page number 6. उत्तम पुरुष में सेकेंड पॉइंट, उत्तम पुरुष में धातु के अंत में एक वचन में आमी, द्विवचन में आवहा और बहुवचन में आमहा लगेगा, जैसे पठामी, पठावहा, पठामहा. दिस वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन. प्रथम पुरुष वुड बी व्हाट? सूर्य प्रकाश जी, प्रथम पुरुष पठ धातु.
पठति पठते पठता पठन्ति.
करेक्ट. सुंदर जी मध्यम पुरुष. पठ धातु मध्यम पुरुष.
Patasi, patataha, patata.
Correct. Wonderful. And here they have given pathami, pathavaha, pathamaha for uttama purusha. So you've seen prathama, madhyama, uttama also. Third point, they have said lat, lot, lang, vidiling में इन धातुओं के ये रूप होते हैं. This will all come later, so we don't have to worry about that now. For now, let us just focus on lat lakara, as we have been doing. And there is one extra point that is given in this page. Fourth point, वर्णमाला कोष्ठ में पारिभाषिक नाम है, इन्हें स्मरण कर लें. क्या? स्वर, क स्वर. So a, e, u, r and r, they are called hrasva. A, e, u and r are called dirgha. So for example, pathami, in pathami, tha is dirgha, mi is hrasva. This in all shabdas, you understand this is very good. A, I, O and Au are mishrita. Why they are mishrita? Because A plus E will become A and so on. So they are a mix of these two. So hrasva dirgha mishrita. Then Vyanjana shabdas they have given. Ka, ka, gha, gha, na, nga. These are kavarga. Cha, cha, ja, jha, nya. These are chavarga. Ta, tha, ta, dha, na, tavarga. Ta, tha, da, dha, na, tavarga. Pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, pavarga. This much people know. This is all very simple. After this, ya, ra, la, va are called antastha, antastha. Sha, sha, saha, ushma. So sha, the first one is sha and the second one is sha, murdhanya. Second is murdhanya. That is the difference between these two. And anuswara, what we call chandrabindu in Hindi, that here is called.
Sorry, I didn't follow murdhanya. What does murdhanya mean?
This second one, sha and sha, the sha is murdhanya because it is from the top of the mouth, right at the beginning, top of the. This is murdhanya shakara. So the way to distinguish, because they sound very similar, they have given different names.
Understood. No, murdha I could.
So anuswara, chandrabindu, we call anunasika. In Ashtadhyayi also, many sutras are for Anunasika. Anunasika different sutras come specifically for this Chandrabindu, what we call in Hindi, Anunasika. And Aha we know is Visarga. So these things also they have added in this in Strilinga. सूचना वर्ग के प्रथम अक्षर का अर्थ है क च ट त प द्वितीया ख छ ठ थ फ. So this is quite easy to understand because this later on they will ask वर्ग के तृतीय अक्षर किम अस्ति. क वर्ग के तृतीय अक्षर will be क क घ ग ह्रस्व, that will be तृतीय. चतुर्थ will be दीर्घ घ, or maybe not hrasva dirgha here, but ga and gha, small and bigger one. Chaturthi, tritiya and chaturthi.
Akashji, what would be the use of knowing that? If you know the letters where they go, what would be the use? Why would you need to know what is the third letter and the fourth letter like that?
Good question. In this book and in the next book, Madhyamika, and I think in Praudha also, some places they refer to that. They say Tritiya Akshara of Ka Varga is used. So then we have to understand it is Ga.
Yeah, it is that. Okay.
But
okay.
also in Ashtadhyayi, before we study Ashtadhyayi, there is something called Maheshwara Sutrani, which is the basis of the Ashtadhyayi, which is the basis of different sutras in Ashtadhyayi. While studying the Maheshwara Sutrani, many people remember, okay, Tritiya Akshara of Kavarga will be Ga. So if we do that later, more advanced Vyakarana, then it will be useful. For now, it is not really useful. For this book, maybe whenever it comes, it is useful.
So Maheshwara Sutrani is same as Shiva Sutras?
No.
No. They are separate.
I mean,
In the context he's asking, it is the same, I think.
some people use, they call it the same meaning. They call it by the same name, Shiva Sutrani. The meaning comes from, some places we've been seeing that these 18 or 20 or 24 or 26 sounds that come from the throat, the nose, the lips, etc. Those have become, we've been calling them Shiva Sutrani. But in Ashtadhyayi, we call them Maheshwara Sutrani only. May be referred to by the same name.
Maheshwara and Shiva.
Yes.
I just went with Maheshwara and Shiva. That's all.
Some people may refer to it by the same name, but it is better for us to just remember Maheshwara Sutra. Here they have given one more thing, Niyama 5, the last two lines of page number 6. Niyama 5. Achhinam parena samyojyam. What is that? Hal vyanjana आगे के स्वर से मिल जाता है. For example, जैसे अहम अद्य त्वम इदानीम. What they are trying to do is give an example, give an introduction to Sandhi, which will come later in a few sessions. More of Sandhis will come. They are trying to give an example here. But what they say is hal vyanjana आगे के स्वर से मिल जाता है. We'll have more details in this in I think 3 or 4 abhyasas. So you don't have to go into detail.
When we say the word hal, we are talking about halant?
Yes, but this will come later. So if we talk about that now, I think you may get confused. It will come in 3, 4. I think abhyasa 9 or 10. I think this comes in
That's fine.
a lot of detail. But yes. So here they have said aham adya, tvam idanim. Okay. So since we have some new additions to our session, we will just see page number 7, Udaharan Vakya. Usually what we do is practice next tomorrow only.
Yeah.
But Sundarji and Surya Prakashji can demonstrate how we do our sessions.
Okay, Akashji, sorry. I mean, I know I'm a bit of a pain like this. I keep
It's
asking
okay.
questions because I just
Questions are good.
number 3 also, like we have seen patati and gachati and all that before.
Yes.
Some of the words have actually changed. Like they don't say drishyati, they say pashyati, and they don't say stha. Instead, they want you to use tishta.
Stha.
So here, stha is become tishta. So therefore, here the words themselves have changed.
Yes.
Is that something that we have to focus on in terms of why the word itself has changed?
I mean, it is obviously something we have to remember because stha dhatu rupa will be tishtati, tishtata, tishtanti paise. But that is in lat lakara. But if we see in, vidhiling lakara, ring lakara, even the things, for example, maybe not patati, but other shabdas will have different forms in different lakaras also. So depending on the lakara that we see, it is a good idea to see how that shabda declines. So tishtati, stha dhatu in lat lakara declines like this. But bhu dhatu in some other lakara may decline in some other way. So the more important thing is lat lakara or lakaras.
Okay.
We see lat lakara now, so we see how they decline.
Yeah, thank you.
So page number 7, Abhyasa 3, Udaharan Vakya. मैं पढ़ता हूँ, अहम पठामी, हम दोनों पढ़ते हैं, we both study, आवाम पठावः, हम सब पढ़ते हैं, वयम पठामः. These 3 examples are given. अहम विद्याम पठामी. In Hindi, what would this be, Sundarji? Or in English, how would you translate, Sundarji?
I study in the university or I study in a school. Aham vidyam patami.
No, so Vidyalaya would be school. Vidya is knowledge.
Knowledge. Oh, aham vidya. Okay.
Vidyam here is
So-
Vidya Vibhakti. See, Rama Shabda, page number 67, Rama Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam is?
1 second. Page 67 we said, right?
Page 67.
Yeah. Yeah, so Rama, Dvitiya Vakta, Dvitiya Vachana, Ramam Rame Ramaha.
Ekavachana is, Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachana is?
Ramam.
Ramam.
So Vidyam.
Vidyam. So Dvitiya Vibhakti, object. So I study something. Vidya.
I study
I
something.
read Vidya. Vidya is that something. Okay. Avam Kridam Pashyavaha.
We both are seeing.
Sundarji vadatu. Avam
games.
Kridam
We
Pashyavaha.
both are seeing games.
Correct.
We both are seeing people playing.
The game. Krida, the game. Or the match. Yes.
Game.
Surya Prakash ji. Vayam Pathashalam Gacchamaha.
हम सब पाठशाला जाते हैं.
Simple. Correct. Aham atra agachami. Surya Prakash ji.
हम अत्र कहाँ है ये? अहम अत्र गच्छामि.
Atra.
मैं यहाँ आता हूँ.
Correct. Simple. Wonderful. Sundar ji. Vayam atra tishtamaha.
So we all sit there.
Not stay there.
हम सब उधर बैठते हैं.
Atra. उधर नहीं, इधर.
अत्र हम सब इधर बैठते हैं. करेक्ट. सॉरी. हम सब इधर बैठते हैं.
अहम जलम पिबामी. सुंदर जी.
हम सब पानी पीते हैं. मैं पानी पीता हूँ.
करेक्ट. सूर्य प्रकाश जी. अहम पुष्पम जिघ्रामी.
मैं फूल सूंघता हूँ.
करेक्ट. और वयम सीदामः. This little difficult. वयम अत्र सीदामः.
हम सब यहाँ सीदामः
बैठते हैं. वहाँ पे लिखा है ना, सद धातु इट विल बी. बालिका कुतः आगच्छति. दिस आई विल से. बालिका गर्ल. बालिका कुतः फ्रॉम वेयर, कहाँ से. यहाँ पे लिखा है आगच्छति, कमिंग, आती है. कहाँ से आती है बालिका. So this tomorrow we will see, of course, as usual, page number 7, the rest of the adhyayas, the abhyasas, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, everything tomorrow. Okay, we will close this session and then discuss when to meet tomorrow. Any questions before we close?
No. Okay. I remember my school classes. Maybe Surya Prakash ji may also remember some Sanskrit classes. And in our school, right after the Sanskrit classes, they used to have this patam pate patani संस्कृत कभी ना आनी तो भूल जानी. And like all the kids used to be chanting that after the school. Suddenly just remember that. Anyway, good to get back to it. Thank you. Hari Om. Thank you.
ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः. ॐ